Assalamualaikum class. Today we continue our lecture with chapter 2 alkane. So in alkane we will learn 4 subtopic. So topic number 1 we will learn about the structure and nomenclature of alkane, including the IUPAC and common name. And number 2 is you will learn about method of preparation of alkane and cycloalkane. And subtopic number 4, you will learn about reaction of alkane and cycloalkane. And finally, we will go through the uses of alkane in our life. So we start with subtopic 1 first for today, the structure and nomenclature of alkane. So basically, alkane contain of single bond only, or we call as saturated hydrocarbon. So if you have here carbon, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here is met alkane. You need to put A and E at the end of the naming. It will be methane. And for carbon number 2, 2 carbon is ethane. Propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, and decane. Okay. So for naming, example 1, I just give one example. Okay. There are few rules to give a name for alkane. Rule of naming. Rule number 1 is you need to find longest parent chain. So longest parent chain you can count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the longest parent chain which contain more carbon atom. So consider 8 carbon. And then you need to identify the substituent. Substituent should has lowest number. For example, here you have 2 substituent here. This is referring to CH3 because here you have carbon, and here you have 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbon here, and here is the structure like this. and here attached to parent. So carbon, carbon and carbon. The V structure is representing isopropyl. When it become substituent, so A and E change to YL. Isopropyl. So here methane, it will be methyl. After that, you need to locate the location of the substituent. Here should has lowest number. So you need to count from right to left or left to right. Make sure these two substituents get the lowest number. If you count from right to left, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you count from here, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the location of this isopropyl is 5, and for carbon number 6, carbon for methyl, the location is 6. So the number, this is lowest set number. Set number means that you need to add up the location for isopropyl and also the location for methyl, then you get 11. Meanwhile, for the location, when you count from right to left, the location will be, the location for the isopropyl will be 4, and 1, 2, here is 3. Total up, you get 7. So the 7 is the lowest set number. So you choose from right to left. So you count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the naming should be, the number of carbon in the parent chain is 8. So it represents octane. Then you put the name octane. After that, you need to write down the name for substituent, methyl and isopropyl. So you have methyl and isopropyl, but you need to arrange the substituent name based on alphabetical order. So you need to write down isopropyl first. Isopropyl and methyl. Then you need to put the location of the methyl and isopropyl. The location for methyl is 4, and the location for isopropyl is 4. The location for methyl is 1, 2, 3. Always remember, in between number and alphabet, you need to put dash. In between alphabet and number, dash. In between number and alphabet, dash. Okay, this is the name for this compound.